Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashit Shah. I am a joint replacement surgeon based in Mumbai. I had an excellent education in Mumbai and then went abroad for about 7-8 years and returned to India, our own country, and been practicing in India for last 20 years in Mumbai. My specialty is knee surgery, so I perform partial knees, robotic total knees, conventional total knees, revision surgery and HTOs. So I've had a fair experience of doing knee surgery for almost last 2 decades plus. My association here with this particular institute, Vidya Jeevan, has been excellent. It's my first visit here and it is a facility that you cannot imagine that such a fantastic facility exists here. It is an excellent facility for teaching and also the undergraduate students and postgraduate students to come and study here. It allows you to do what you exactly want. We've been doing this course for last 1.5 days, which is CORA, which is Conceptual Orthopedics Advanced Course in Alignment in Robotic Technology for Knee Replacement Surgery. The course has been fantastic. The material given to the students is really very good, and the faculty and their involvement with the delegate also has been fantastic. It caters to the orthopedic surgeons who are already doing their knee replacement surgery practice. So overall, the facility has been fantastic. The course has been carved very well with the patrons of the course and with a lot of help from the logistic team of Vidya Jeevan Institute. And above all, the person who does this is Dr. Apurva Mehra. And whatever said is less for him. He's been fantastic host. He is organized for this institute to come up very nicely, and he keeps on thinking every time about more and more education impartition. So that's the reason you have to be here. Even if in whatever phase of your life you have to get associated with this institute for either teaching or learning or getting associated with this group. It's been a great journey for last 1.5 days, and I'm sure I'll be associated with them for a long time. Another thing that came up here was Topcat software that has been there and is designed by Prof. Graichen from Switzerland, and he has put forward his software. It is an excellent teaching tool. So as you all are aware, robotic technology and different kind of alignments are something very, very complicated, but it's the flavor of the month. So it is going to remain here for some time, and for a new surgeon who is coming up to robotic surgery, who is coming up to knee replacement surgery, this is a practice that he can have it before even entering the operation theatre. So when he goes to the OT to do that particular case, he is very, very well equipped with the knowledge and with the practicalities of how things work. Something similar to how simulators are there for aviation industry. So the software is also has been fantastically developed by Professor Graichen, and I'm sure in coming few weeks time it will be available for all the students to learn through that. So overall, it's been a fantastic time I had here, and hospitality has been great. I really enjoyed my 1.5 days here. Thank you very much.